Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Excel Resources 2019 exercise videos. We're continuing on in Domain 1 exercises and we're in exercise 2. So for this exercise you need to open up the Resolutions spreadsheet from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. So I've now opened up the file, so we're going into A2. So first question is to import the Healthy.csv CSV file from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel, and we've to import it into cell A2 in the Resolutions worksheet. So I'm in cell A2, I go to Data, I'm going to From Text CSV. Just bear with me while this opens up. Now I need to navigate to my folder, so again just bear with me. So I'm going to my folder and I'm going into exercises, I'm going into domain 1 and I'm clicking on healthy.csv. So again just give it a second there now. So now I have that open, so now I'm not going to click on load, because if I click on load it's going to copy it to new sheet. Okay, I want to click on the drop down arrow and click on load to. Okay, so now I need to click in existing worksheet and I need to I'm just highlighting there that we're in A2, which we are, and click OK. So just give it a second just for it to import. It's now imported. I'm just going to X out of this. Okay, so now you can see your table is in there. Okay, so the next question is to change the orientation of the spreadsheet to landscape. So I go into page layout, I go into orientation and landscape. Okay, so now the next question is to change the workbook view to page layout. So I go to view and then into page layout now, and then to change it back to normal view. Okay, so I'm just going to click on normal there. Okay, now the next question then is to insert the header with Office Master 19. So I'm going to go to insert, then I'm going to go to text and header and footer. So it's insert text, header and footer. I'm going to type in Office Master 19 in here. Now it doesn't ask me to do this, but because we've gone into a header, that means now we have to go back to the view. It's changed to page layout, so I just go back to normal. Okay, so then the next question is to configure the print settings so that the grid lines are printed. So it's into view and then put the tick in grid lines. Okay, so now the next question then is to ensure that the first row of the table remains visible as you scroll vertically down the spreadsheet. So highlight row 2, or it's row 1 of the table. I go to view and then I go to freeze panes and then freeze panes. Okay, so now the next question then is to insert the page break at row 10. So I go to into page layout, go to breaks and then go to insert page break. But I gotta make sure, so you need to make sure that row 10 is selected and then you go to breaks and then insert page break. So it's breaks and insert page breaks, and now you can see that there's a line at row 10. Okay, the next question is to change the zoom settings to 90%. So I'm going to go to view, I'm going to go to zoom now, and then in here on the custom I put in 90%. Now I'm not going to do this as I don't want to change the zoom settings. Okay, so now the next question then is to inspect the workbook for any compatibility issues and then to copy the changes to new sheet. So I go to file, go to info, check for issues and check compatibility. So check for issues, check compatibility. I'm going to click on copy to new sheet. Okay, now that's all your changes, your issues there. I'm going back to year. Now the last question then is for somebody working on an Office 2003 version of Excel to set it up so that they can use this spreadsheet. So I need to save it as an Office 2003 version. So go to File, Save As. I'm going to go to More Options. I'm going to call it Resolutions 2003. And then under Save As Type, this is quite important. We need to select Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. Okay, Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. I'm going to click on Save. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on Continue. It's going to say loss of functionality. We'll just click on Continue on that. Okay. Okay, so that's Domain 1 exercise 2 completed. So we've now completed Domain 1. So shortly I'll be seeing you on Domain 2 exercise 1. So that's brilliant. Thanks very much for watching. And if you're enjoying the videos, just click on subscribe on the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. And if you alternatively, you can go to the website www.officemaster19.ie. So again, thanks for watching, and we will catch you soon.